On the battlefields across the sea, one wet and dismal morn, a heritage was carved in blood and a fighting man was born. On the rugged slopes of Gallipoli, where the digger earned his name, and the admiration of the Turk, Australia is his name. With a careless grin across his lips and a rifle in his